A great way to help wildlife in your garden is to let your lawn grow without mowing for as long as possible. So if you've taken part in No Mow May and haven't got your mower out for the whole month, then a great thing you can do now at the end of the month is to take part in the Plantlife Every Flower Counts survey. This survey quantifies the amount of nectar produced by all the lawns in Britain that have taken part in No Mow May. So last year it found that about 23 kilos of nectar was produced by these lawns. That feeds thousands of pollinators. So let's find out what we can find here and see how you take part in the survey. So to do your survey, you need to measure out 1 metre square on your lawn. You can do that with just a tape measure and then pin it in the ground. 1 metre is about an adult's stride, to give you a bit of a guide. We're using a smaller quadrat just so that we can see exactly what's down in each square. So with the quadrat we're using, you'd have to do that 4 times to get 1 metre square. So I'll hand over to Tom now to take you through the survey and go through some of the common flowers you might find on your lawn to look out for in Alderney.
Make sure that the area you choose for your survey is random. You can achieve this by doing something like throwing a ball and then drawing a 1 metre square around it. Make sure to count every open flower head. Flower heads that are on the line also count. For some species, like with trefoils, this might mean counting every individual flower. So you'll all recognise clover, and in this quadrat we have 1, 2, 3, 5, and you don't count the ones that have gone completely over, such as this.
It's still stiller than if it was in my hands.
In this quadrat we have a few different species. We've got the scarlet pimpernel, we have the spotted medic, and those cranes, and there again, and we've got quite a lot of flowers. So we've got in this quadrat we have common field speedwell, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. We also have a slender thistle. In this quadrat we have 46 daisies, probably one of the most common species you'll come across. This time we have another common resident of our lawns. We've got the buttercup, and I count 6. On species such as cow parsley, you'll want to count every clump of flowers known as an umbel separately, such as this. This time we have a dandelion, which I'm sure you'll all recognise, though it does look a little bit like a cat's ear.
So once you've counted your metre square, counted all the different flowers, hopefully you'll have had some tips from our video. Then you need to go onto the Plantlife website, follow the link to the Every Flower Counts survey and input everything you saw. So that will go towards that national data set, and it will help show how important it is to leave your lawn unmown. Leaving some really long patches all throughout the summer and mowing into August or September will mean you'll get lots of different species. If you do want to mow a path, then it will probably cut down things like daisies and some of the lower plants, but they usually grow back pretty quickly and even grow back in bigger numbers. So that's a great way to help wildlife, especially insects and pollinators in your garden. Make sure you sign your kids up to the Alderney Watch Club. So that's our free local kids membership. You'll get a few magazines every year with loads of fun things for kids to do to connect and learn more about wildlife.